Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the drawing and immediately edit the block definition. This gives you direct access to attribute entities. Use Bidit for native blocks or refedit if the block is in an external reference. Bidit isolates the block so edits don't affect the rest of the drawing. Make sure you identify each at def. Check tag, prompt, default, and whether it's set to invisible. Once done, lock view or use layers to prevent accidental changes. This preserves your context while you work. Now edit the attributes themselves. Select an at def and change its default text, prompt, justification, rotation, and layer. These control how the attribute displays and behaves. For many instances, use edit or Batman to edit attribute values across selected blocks quickly. This saves time versus individual edits. If you need dynamic content, use the Properties palette to link attributes to a field or expression. Make sure the formatting and justification match the block geometry so text fits cleanly. Finish by saving changes. Use bclose in the block editor or save and exit refedit, then update or reinsert a block instance to test. Use at disp to toggle attribute visibility and at sync to push definition changes to existing instances. This ensures all blocks reflect edits. If something goes wrong, check layer visibility, confirm the attribute invisible flag isn't hiding values, and verify tags match exactly between definition and instances. Mismatched tags are the most common cause.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.